We are trying to finish up the renovation of this old mobile home. Last time we were here, we completed this section of wall. So today we're going to carry on and hopefully complete one more wall. That's all the wood we have. We have 3 panels. Let's make them count. And we'll be half done with the bedroom. I think they're in. Okay. Well, that went pretty smoothly. No problems. Another wall done, quick and easy. Made a slight mistake because when I started this wall last time, I put a cutoff that I had right here to start the wall and I worked this way. Turns out I need like another inch at the end, like inch and a half of siding right at the very corner. And if I had just flipped that piece and put it over here, this bay was wider, we would have ended up perfect. So now I have to find a sliver to put on the corner. And I probably have something at home.
Probably.
But it would have been cleaner if I started here, worked that way. Simple oversight, no big deal. So I'll keep that in mind. We're going to find a sliver to finish off the end here. And then we're going to need 1, 2, 3. It's a new day and we're back to tackle more of this project. While we were at home, I went through all my scrap siding pieces and we pulled out anything that we thought could be useful to finish this room up. Now we don't have enough to finish the room, but what I'm talking about is scraps. So we have some little pieces, for example, above here. I don't need full sheets for that, around the door, etc. So I'm going to go through the scraps. We're going to see if we can piece together some little sections. I think I might start with this little sidewall here where the closet sticks out into the room. So let me get this measured. It's a pretty simple piece. And we'll start boxing the closet in. It's kind of hard to show you what I'm doing back here, but you get the point. So let's keep wrapping around the top. This one gets a lot more tricky because obviously angles, but we just cut one out. Does that look like it's right there?
Yep.
Oh, a lot of nails. Okay, let's see if this piece goes just as nicely.
It looks like it.
Pretty good. Now,
how about that piece above the door?
I think I'm just gonna do these right now. We're gonna do the sides, get them over with, and then the front of the closet will be done. So let's fill in the sides now. You think I should have went down with that stripe? I didn't realize there was a line there. I didn't realize. Let me nail this one. I'll think about that for a moment.
Okay.
Now, even though we're piecing this together and it's not as perfect as it could be, we want to make it look as nice as we can. And I noticed that there was a groove here. And so I cut another piece that hopefully will line up better and blend in. I should be able to blend that together with caulk. And I'll save this one that I already cut for next to this door jamb, which I'll start working on right now. Let me get this top piece cut. We'll do it the same way we did the closet. We'll put the legs in afterwards. That looks perfect, gladly. It was looking weird on the when I was drawing it out. Clean. This part's not too exciting. You guys know, just nailing in these sides. I love using up scrap like this, and it's important for us to do this step now before we buy the rest of the panels for this room, because then we can know exactly how many we're going to need, depending on what we can fill up with the scrap. After we're done today, we should be able to get a final count, and it honestly looks like not too much more. Six panels, and we will be done with the room. And the last little sliver that I had to cut was for this little corner, you guys know. We're going to fill that in. Best I can. Well, I think that's all we can get done today. We used up a lot of scrap. We got done a lot more progress in the room. We have to pick up another load, so I don't know when we're going to get to finishing it, but it should be pretty soon. I have been thinking about a paint color for this room. Gave it some thought, and I did pick out a color. So we have a color ready for this room, and I'm already second guessing it. So we'll see how it goes. But it's not really what I was expecting, but I think it's going to fit the house pretty well.
Mm-hmm. We already bought it. We're just going to do it.
Yeah. But that's all we have for now. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.